Morning, good morning, good morning. After we clean, yun na nga, after we clean our room, we receive some chocolate. Thank you for the sponsors, sir. Thank you sa naghatag. We have a lot of chocolate. You know, I show you guys. Yan. Yarn. Ala, tumalon! Yan, this is our chocolate. May tumalon na isa. Pasensya na kayo sa background natin. Ayan, may nakasabit tayo. So, let's try. Chocolate taste. Kasi hindi ko to na-try. Yeah, first time kong mag-try ng chocolate from Pachi. Yeah, they have small one. Okay, they have the small one. And of course, they have also the circle one. I don't think so if this same I think same from Pachi. Yeah, I don't know because there is no name. But this one is, I'm gonna try this. This is the best one, I think. This is Nutella Kunafa. Alam niyo yung Kunafa chocolate is very delicious but very expensive. Yeah, in our next vlog, we try. I buy some Kunafa and I will show you guys. Okay, so we try this one. Sorry in my face, it's so haggard. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm still not bathing because I'm just cleaning my room. So, hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo guys because I'm not good in cleaning charot. But we tried the chocolate one, the Kunafa. I think this is not from Pachi. This is from, I think this one, Kiza. I don't know how to read this one. Kiza. So, let's try. Oh, it's no need to open this one, but you have to like that. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Yan. What's inside. Let's see inside. Oh, melted na siya. But the inside is... okay. Yeah, ganito siya ang laman niya. Hindi lang siya masyadong makita pero ganyan ang laman niya. Yan. Because of the, I think, pistachio inside. Yan, pistachio. Let's try. So good. Sarap. Delicious. Pero bawal tayo sa maraming chocolate. It's not good for the health. Okay? Moderate eating for chocolate. Kasi, pag marami kang kinakain ng chocolate, the problem is, baka magka-diabetic tayo. Next, we try this one. From Pachi. Oh, see, they have... I see this one also from Pachi. Kasi, guys, look at their logo. And this one. Same. Makita ba? Same. Ayan. Same yung ano nila. Parang design. Sa ano niya. So, this is from Pachi. Ayan, may ano pa sila. Let's open. Binigay lang to sa akin, guys. Yung may-ari ng bahay. Ayan siya. It was so delicious. Look at the inside. Yung light ko kasi dito. Kaya medyo against tayo the light. Inside. Nakikita niyo itong parang green. Parang ano yun siya, pistachio. Ayan. Pistachio, kaya creamy siya. So creamy. Wala akong masabi. 10 out of 10. Sarap. But this is expensive, guys, I think. Kasi nakabox siya eh. Ang sarap. Parang mas masarap pa siya nito. Sa Nutella. Sarap niya. This is so good. Next is this one. We try this one. Again, this is from Pachi. But the small one. Let's try. Guys, pasensya na kayo sa damit ko, ha? Kasi nasa bahay lang ako. That's why I'm wearing like this. I think no need to wear some good, some because we have to make vlog. But we're in the house. We're in our room. We're cleaning. So, charot lang. This is milk. Ayan. Again, this is from Pachi. This disclaimer, guys, this is not a sponsor. Because I don't know this one. Binigay lang to sa akin. Char, may pa-disclaimer pa. Parang true. This is chocolate. White chocolate. Milk. Milk flavor. White chocolate. Nice one. So far, masarap siya. I think 9 out of 10. Ito kasi yung gusto ko eh. Kasi may ano siya sa loob, pistachio. I like pistachio. Kaya ito siya 10 out of 10. Ito naman siya, nalasahan yung pistachio. Kung may pistachio or plain lang siya na Nutella at saka yung parang ano yung kunafa. Kaya ito 8 out of 10. So now let's try this one. Again, this one from Pachi. So let's check. Ayan, chocolate flavor. Let's try what's inside. Also delicious, right? But I don't know what's inside. It's a kind of peanut. But hindi siya, not pistachio. I think. No. It's like coffee. Caramel? I don't know. But this is, it tastes like coffee chocolate. Or caramel chocolate. I don't know. I can't explain. Pero may ano siya, may peanut siya. Itong nakikita nyo dito. It's a peanut. Sarap. Sarap, guys. I think 9 out of 10. Ito ang pinakamasarap. Ito ang pinakamasarap, guys. Out of this 4 kinds of chocolate. This 3 chocolate is from Pachi Company. Yan. And this one is the other one. So yun lang, guys. If you like this video, please follow for more. And then you can also visit my YouTube, even though my YouTube is demonetized, but you can watch there and you can follow also my YouTube account and share and like That's all. Thank you for watching. See you for our next vlog, next reels also. Bye!